Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install your local SIM card in the Lokies. First, we will uncover the right side of the silicone cover to open the padlock. You will find a hole to insert this little key I have here. Press with the key and then pull the main plastic. Once it is open, take the back part of the Lokies and you will see 4 screws. We will need a screwdriver to unscrew these 4 screws. Once it is open, we will see the SIM socket. Insert the SIM card into the socket. Push the SIM card until you hear a click. When you feel and hear the click, that's it. The SIM card was inserted correctly. Now we will assemble it back as it was. Assemble the screws. And that's it. Your padlock will start working with data.